Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is maglilinis tayo ng iron, yung plancha ko, dahil bigla na lang siyang uminit ng as in, and then nasunog yung planchahan ko. So ito try natin yung DIY na sinasabi nila na baking soda, tapos toothpaste, vinegar, imimix natin siya, and then i-wrap natin dun sa dumikit na cloth dun sa plancha. So ito po siya. Ayan na nangyari sa plancha ko. Ayan. So okay guys, so this is what happened to my iron. Okay, see? And then now we are going to do the DIY. We need to take out this by using this baking soda. Okay. And then the white wine. I'm using this wine. Sorry. Vinegar. Vinegar. Sorry, yeah. And then Colgate. Then we need this sponge to use later on to wipe. So now we are going to do it now. So yan. So ipapainit po natin dito. Pero before that, i-mix muna natin yung kailangan natin. So let's try. Is it enough? A little bit only. Right. Try natin konti lang muna. And then the toothpaste. Do you think it will really work? Na? Tapos yung vinegar. Oh. Yeah, which, right? Oh my god, I'm scared. So mix it. A bit more. So ayan po siya. But we need to let the iron, yan, mali pala yung turn. So wait until we get hot. Tapos ito try na po natin. Now it's hot. Then let's try. Oh. We need more. We need more. The middle part is a bit hard to take out. So not enough. You see? So we make more. Right? Then some toothpaste again. And the wine. Vinegar. Sorry, I keep on saying wine. Now we need to heat up. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Okay na. So, okay na siya kasi mainit na siya. This looks like not working. Looks like it's not working. But a little bit only will come out. Do we need to wipe it up? Still the same. Do we have a candle? I think I use candle. Just, yeah. Weh? Parang hindi po siya nagwo-work. Oh, lalong pumuputi. So, ita-try ko yata yung, yung candles. So, let me clean up this one. So, I try to wipe up using a wet towel. So, natatanggal din po ng konti. Pero dito sa taas, parang mahirap po tanggalin. So, marami pang nakadikit. Lilinisin natin muna yung DIY natin is hindi successful. Konti lang siya. So, yan, lilinisin tuloy natin yung butas dahil maraming pumasok na. Ano ba yun? Colgate. Na stuck sa loob. And then, kapag hindi natin tatanggalin dyan, ano yan, create ng dumi kapag namlansya po tayo. And then, meron pa konti na natitira. Ayan. Pero feeling ko dito, madumi yung lalabas. Ita-try ko to. Tanggalin. Itong asasay. It's hot. Konti na lang naman na. Siguro matatanggal ito na. Yes. Can come out. So, I'm using this candle to take out the rest. Konti na lang. Naligas. Masakit na yung balakang ko. Nakatayo. Not professional, okay? Alright. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. And there you have it! Ayan. Natapos din with the help of this small candle. The rest, it came out. And lilinisin lang po natin. And then it's okay. Pwede na namang sumunok ng clothing. So, okay, guys. That's our DIY cleaning the iron. Actually, bagong-bago pa po yung plancha ko. But then, it happens. Nagluko siya and kumain ng damit. Alright. So, yan na guys. Tapos na po yung ating DIY. Yung i-clean natin ng plancha. Pwede nyo pong i-try kung gusto niyo, kung meron po kayong ganyan na encounter. So, pwede nyo gawin yon. Vinegar, toothpaste, and baking soda. Pero mali po yung pag-mix ko kasi masyadong konti lang po yung nilagay kong vinegar. So, dapat pala medyo marami siyang vinegar. And then, candle. Add lang po ito. This is the only additional para natanggal yung yung konting mark doon sa gitna. So, yan po guys. Tapos na yung video natin and I hope you enjoy it. And I will see you on my next one guys. Stay safe and bye!